In height, I'm 5'4¾". I'm blessed with a wife and 3 beautiful daughters. And all my life I have wanted to be a policeman or police person, to be PC. But they said, "You're too small, we cannot employ you. You might fool the crooks, but the lads would destroy you." They wouldn't relent unto my demands, so I took the law into my own 2 soft hands. I purchased a bright yellow waterproof jacket. It's meant for a yachtsman, it cost me a packet. And from that helpful milkman, and a helpful young chap, gave me for nothing his second best cap. Apart from all this unusual attire, I borrowed my wife's dark brown, a plastic hairdryer. During morning and evening rush hours, I point it at cars and I do not the power. You should see their faces, they stand on their brakes, slow down to 30, white knuckled break. I take their numbers down on my clipboard, and nobody ever suspects I'm a fraud. They trundle off home at the pace of a snail and wait for the summons to come in the mail for their licence to be shredded and thrown in the bin by a man with a pisco that isn't plugged in. I haven't told you where I live, and that's not information I'm going to give. But you'll never know the next copy you see is the genuine article or merely me. Have you ever, is that cop a real cop? Have you been fooled by a man, a hat from the local co-op? Have you slowed to a walk where a man standing there with a wife and 3 daughters with slightly damp hair?